And here we are, afternoon walk. Moon. Ok, Liza, kje gremo? Tukaj? Ok, tukaj. Liza at first didn't want to go for a walk. I had to beg her. Yeah, she doesn't like this weather. Fortunately, it stopped raining, and immediately when it stopped raining, I said, okay, let's go for a walk before it resumes again. Because, you know, during the pre-noon walk, we were out for what? I don't know, 30 minutes, but I don't believe it was 40, when it once again started to rain. So yeah, basically every hour we have something different. Weather change is very frequent. No, pejt Lizzy, greva. Ecco. Monty is in doggy school, twice per week. Fortunately, they don't have rain at this moment. Yeah, when me and Liza and I were going in the doggy school, there were, several, let's say, cancellations of our meeting due to the not only rain but also to the heat. Yeah, there were a couple of times when it rose, the temperatures rose over 30, and the instructor said, nope, we will not put our dogs through anything like that, especially, if you have to take into the consideration that they were all puppies, 6-7 months old. Yeah. It's not raining, but this is why she comes home all wet. Every bush, well, some of her favorite bushes to mark, and she's completely wet. Of course, she's not soaked like usual in the morning. Let's say in the morning they were both completely soaked. But yeah, at least it's not raining right now. And I wish that this one would move a little bit faster. And she's like, yeah, not the best weather, no motivation, no real motivation for a walk. Okay, we will end on this point.